Hola mi gente, your girl is back. Estoy aquí de nuevo. I know we took a week-long hiatus. Your girl needed some self-care time, but I'm back and we're gonna talk about fashion. I got a list, an ultimate packing list for you. Todo lo que necesitas for any trip. I'm gonna tell you what are my non-negotiables, what I bring with me wherever I go, porque eso es importante for travel. I told you, how you look while you're exploring makes all the difference. It makes you feel good. So, we're gonna talk about that. Pero antes, please, before we even begin, push that subscribe button. You know, lock in, get loaded, become part of the family, and then we'll start. So I read this quote by Judith Gatton. It says, "We only put on clothes because of how we feel or how we think it'll make us feel. But the secret to personal style is seeking how we want to feel. And I personally choose fabulous." You gotta feel fabulous. Tienes que sentirte fabulosa when you go out into the world, when you're exploring new places. And a lot of people, I've had so many come to me and say, I don't really know what I'm supposed to wear. Like, what do I bring? Should it be all about comfort? Should I just bring what's focused on the weather? And I'm saying you can choose things that are comfortable and fashionable and give you options. Bring things that provide for you a little bit of flair so that you feel empowered cuando estás en un lugar nuevo. Because that's the goal. The better you feel, the more that experience just, explodes with goodness. ¿Verdad que sí? So, get ready. Here's my list of your packing essentials for any trip. First things first, the backpack purse. Oh, that's right! Yes, a mí me encanta el mío. Okay, so check it out. I got it from Modern and Chic. We're talking cute, leather, fun strap. I can wear it in so many different ways. But obviously I like to wear it like a backpack. Now let me tell you why the backpack purse es esencial. Critical, vital! Number one, most importantly, they're comfortable. When you're walking, you want your hands free. Si tienes niños, you gotta hold on to hands. Free, comfy, evenly distributed weight. If you have scoliosis like me, muy importante. Another thing is, they're big enough to carry all of the things. Your sunglasses, tus pintalabios, your credit cards, your book to read, your water bottle, your snacks, todas las cosas right in here in a cute little package. It's super important. I feel like when you're wandering around with a strap purse, that thing gets exhausting after a while on one side, it even cuts into your arm. They're easy to slide off, they keep falling, someone can steal it. Backpack purse? Backpack purses, escúchame bien, they're the thing of the future. ¿Verdad que sí? You need sunglasses. Okay, ya sabemos that whenever you go outside, whenever you're traveling, you're gonna need a pair of sunnies. All right? You're just gonna need them. We know this. This is lo que yo estoy diciendo is that I'd like to make a case for bringing several pairs of sunnies, a variety, if you will. I feel like different experiences dictate different glasses needs. For example, if I'm going out and I'm strolling through the streets of Rome, I may want some 8Bs because they're a little fancier, they're a little dressier. I can wear them with dress, I can feel, refined, classy. If I want to feel just extra sassy, I may want some shades que tienen un poquito de reflexión. Doesn't this say she's a fun bitch? She's hilarious. She's the kind of sassy ass bitch that I need to roll with. Si lo dice. I have 5 or 6 pair, and I take them with me because they're small, because they provide an instant style change. They give me access to variety. It's such a small thing, but with like a really big reward. Bring multiple pairs of sunnies. You need them. You need them. So many times, me dicen, my suitcase is too small, I'm packing a carry-on. What do I bring? I can't just bring all my clothes. To that I say, the romper. The romper it's ideal because it's 2 in 1. You got the shirt, your top, your bottoms sewed together in some adorable style. Number 2, they look good en toda la gente. They look good on everybody, almost on every body shape. Number 3, you can make them casual in the day and then lift them up to fancy at night, all with your jewelry, your accessories, a jacket. They are so versatile. They're easy. They take the thinking about your look out of the equation. You got it there, put it on, you're good to go. Just put on some cute, accessories to go with them. They're super simple. They really take the hard out of packing. Rompers they're really undervalued, is what I would say. Get yourself some. Empácalos, and you'll be thankful that you did. I always am. I am a woman of color, and I have naturally curly, thick, coarse, super frizz-prone hair. Así es mi vida. I have grown to love it. But si yo me pongo a secar este pelo, if I straighten this hair and I spend a good hour and I put all of the product in, the last thing I want is to go to a place and my hair just frizz up. Nadie quiere eso. You gotta come with hair protection, people. I don't care what it looks like. For me, hair protection es muchas cosas. Puede ser una gorra así. The patty hat is actually my favorite thing, porque yo lo puedo llevar a donde quiera. I can take it with me everywhere. It's versatile. I can wear it several different ways. It packs flat. It matches with a lot of things. I can wear it with a dress. I can wear it with a blazer like I'm wearing right now. But that's not the only thing you can bring. Puedes traer a fedora. She's living. ¿Verdad que sí? Qué bella. This is for extra style. Yo siempre traigo mi beanie because that's another way to protect my hair. I've stopped the wind. I've stopped the rain. I can put it all the way in, and it still looks cute while I'm saving this hair, because nobody wants to waste all of that time because a little bit of mist is in the air. You still look like you're carefree, pero con un poquito de protección. I know, I'm smart. You should follow this rule. This is important. I'm a big believer in the power of a statement tee. I don't know if you've noticed my shade. This shirt is from a Latinx-owned brand, woman-owned brand called Señorita. And I love it because, hello, soy yo. But I feel like with this small thing, I feel empowered. I feel like I'm expressing myself. A statement tee is crucial, I think. They're comfy, they're practical, they're easy to pack, todo eso, ¿verdad? But they also express who you are, what your passions are. They say what kind of person you are, what is important to you, without you ever having to open your mouth. Lo dice ahí. Matters. Let me show you a few of mine. This one says, kindness is so gangster. I love it. Little crop top. Together we rise. Here for it. I take these things, I put them in ensembles. Today I got one with a blazer on. Tomorrow I might wear one with a skirt. Lo que sea. But they're such a small way to impact the world with who you are. Statement tees. Don't sleep on them. The last thing on my must-pack random list of things that you have to bring with you on every trip. A bomb-ass pair of aretes. Oh, you know what that is? Earrings. And I'm not just talking about like, oh, some cutesy little things. These are cutesy. So I'm talking about statement earrings. Ones that are gonna be attention grabbing, that are gonna make your photos pop, that are gonna give you oomph, empowerment to walk through the day. I'm gonna show you a couple of my favorites. Mira. These are from, my best friend makes these. Her name is Rachel, and she has a company that makes these clay earrings called Rari Deborah Handmade. I always pack a few of her creations with me. Check out this one. Ba-dow! What? Automatically, I'm way more fun. I'm beautiful. I'm empowered, gorgeous. I mean, me encantan. Then I also have a pair of hoops because you can't be in New York and not have no hoops. Latinas, but that's how we roll. But I love these. Me lo dio mi marido for Mother's Day one year, and they say bruja. These are from Hija de tu Madre. I love wearing these. They always get, you know, compliments. People always ask me, ¿de dónde lo sacaste? A mí me encanta. You can't express yourself enough, I think. And fashion is just one of those ways to show the world quién eres and what you have to offer. And something as simple as a statement earring makes you feel bold and bright and vibrant and here, and people see you. Why not? Make it pop. I encourage you to get sassy. It's okay to get sassy! Yes! Thing I need to tell you is que no importa lo que pones en tu suitcase. It doesn't really matter what you put in your suitcase. You could pick the ugliest things in your closet and still be fine if you roll up with some confidence. You hear me? That's the most important thing that I want you to remember. Miss J always says, you get to choose how you show up into the world. I choose to conquer and slay. And that's what I want for you. Wherever you go, donde quiera que estés, come in. Like you own that motherfucking place. Like you are worthy. Like you are valuable. Doesn't matter what you have on. People will see you, te van a ver y van a mirar like, my God, she's fire. He's fire. They are fire. Doesn't matter what you wear. But the list is just so you have like, you know, a blueprint, a little architectural design so you can add to it what works for you. Make sure you pack confidence. Thank you so much for doing this with me for another time. Los quiero un montón. Next week I'll be back with something completely different. In the meantime, subscribe si pueden. Comment, like it, share it, tell your friends. I need all the help I can get to get this site, this channel to grow. And los veo. I love you. Hasta pronto.